Have you ever seen crystals transform into vibrant structures in liquid? In a chemical garden, metal salts like copper sulfate react with sodium silicate to create stunning, plant-like forms. When these salts dissolve, they form a semipermeable membrane that bursts, allowing water and chemicals to create unique shapes. The colors vary from deep blue to vibrant purple, showcasing the beauty of chemistry in action. Opening shot of colorful chemical garden structures growing rapidly in solution. Ever wondered how a simple salt crystal can grow into a colorful underwater garden in minutes? Let's explore the fascinating chemistry behind it. A chemical garden is a stunning demonstration where metal salts react with sodium silicate solution to create beautiful plant-like structures. This 400-year-old experiment reveals the power of osmosis and self-organization in chemistry. To create a chemical garden, you need just two ingredients: a sodium silicate solution, also called waterglass, and crystals of metal salts like copper sulfate for blue, cobalt chloride for purple, or iron chloride for orange structures. Here's what happens at the molecular level. When you drop a metal salt crystal into the silicate solution, it starts dissolving. The metal ions immediately react with silicate ions to form an insoluble metal silicate membrane around the crystal. This membrane is semipermeable. It allows water molecules to pass through but blocks larger ions. Inside the membrane, the salt concentration is much higher than outside, creating an osmotic pressure difference. Water rushes in through the membrane, increasing pressure inside until, crack, the membrane bursts. The concentrated salt solution jets out, instantly reacting with more silicate to form new membrane material. This repeated rupture and repair process creates the hollow tubular structures that grow upward like plants. The colors depend on which metal you use. Copper gives brilliant blue, manganese creates pink, cobalt produces deep purple, and iron yields orange-brown structures, each one a unique chemical masterpiece. From a simple chemistry experiment to insights into self-organizing systems, the chemical garden teaches us how nature builds complexity from simple rules. Science is truly beautiful. Safety note for description: safety warning. This experiment uses toxic chemicals and should only be performed by trained professionals with proper safety equipment. Do not attempt at home.